Hi, Amanda from Framework here, and I'm going to walk you through how we helped MealExchange build a board governance site using Google Sites. In just one evening, we went from a plain, non-existent site to a full board governance site with embedded Google Docs and agenda and meeting templates ready to go. It was really easy to get the MealExchange board governance site up in 3 hours or less for a couple reasons. First of all, we used Google Sites, which makes it really easy to get a website up in little time with not a lot of technical expertise or design needed. The templates are easy to use and perfect for our needs. Secondly, we spent some time talking about what content would go on the board governance site. Using Framework Foundation's board governance site as a model, we had a quick conversation about agenda and minutes, key reports that should go to the board, as well as key documentation that MealExchange wants to make available to their board members. We collected these documents and talked about templates, and we were off. The bulk of our 3-hour evening was really dedicated to pulling together documents and templates to fill MealExchange's private board governance site with the documents they need to set them up for success for the upcoming year. This included establishing an agenda and meeting templates for fiscal 2010, 2011, and 2012. We've set them up with a template that links to a Google Doc and highlights the top 3 agenda items at a quick glance for board members. When board members click on this link, they'll be taken to a Google Doc which highlights important conference call information, printing instructions, agenda items, attendance, and eventually minutes from each meeting. This makes it really easy for all board members to have the same information in one place without having to worry about working off multiple versions of a document or sending email attachments. In addition to creating links to Google Docs on the private board governance site, we also embedded Google Docs within the site so that board members can get a quick access to documents, especially financial reports, such as MealExchange's funding forecast. This ensures that when MealExchange staff update the funding forecast document, board members have access to the most up-to-date and current information that's available about the organization. We're really excited about all that we accomplished in just one evening with MealExchange. We went from the old way of conducting board meetings, which might have taken up to a day to prep, collecting documents, looking for the right version of a file, sending agenda items back and forth, and pulling together key documentation, to having all of this information in one private site where all board members can get the same information that is the most up-to-date. We're excited to see where MealExchange goes from here and really make this site glow.